Hi, baby. How are you today? It's very cold. And Howard went out. I don't know where he went. And I can't look for him. And I can say is he knows where he lives. Because Mom is going to be pulling out to do the catering order. He was so bad last night, it was insane. So this is a giant white egret. About a 4.5 foot wingspan. 3 feet tall. And absolutely beautiful. I love to watch these birds walk. Howard's lived here for 6 years. I'm pretty sure he can find his way home. So we'll be okay. We'll see you later, birdie bird. I got an early cater.